Hello everyone, it's the Orochi here, and today we're doing some Mech Arena. I don't know if you can hear him or not, but that's my guinea pig. Yeah, he's pretty loud, but I love him. But anyway, let's get right into it. Oh god, this map. Why this map? Alright, let's Ooh, this lag. This internet I have. It's bad. It's bad. Hey, got an assist. I'll take it. Nice, got him. Heck yeah. Got him. Ooh, nice damage. Uh-oh. Roll away. That's a spider. Spider bite hurt. Hurt spider bite. 3 Orochi points to if you get the reference. Okay. Not bad damage, but I'd really like more damage. Heck yeah. I got you, man. There you go. Oh, see, he's coming for the slingshot. And he will die for it. Yeah. Oh, don't give me that angry face. You just got bamboozled, my dude. Ooh, nice cash money damage. Try, and I'm just gonna not. Alright. Clever. But I know I'm dead. Yep, we got him. Or he got me. Whoops. We need more direct damage. Seems like we have a couple of people in the back. Just seem to not be doing much. Back to cover. And we won. Heck yeah. Well, that was a good match. And, yep, I was the MVP. That Arachnios was really messing us up, though. Whew. 31% of the damage. Wow. almost a third of the damage. Well, that would be it for this video. I have nothing else to say. I mean, I can't get anything else, so... What the... What is this? I can't get this. What? Okay, well, that was weird. Let's see. Let's see what I can get. Guns. Shotguns. Where's cryo launchers? Ooh. Because slowdown slows down the enemy. 290. 2008. Jeez. Okay. Oh boy. That'll be a grind, but I think I'll be getting the cryo launchers next. Unless they suck. Hopefully they don't suck. I don't want to lose out on more credits. I'm still salty over buying the rocket mortars. And you know what? Yeah, that's it. I'm going to do something I never did before. If you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. If you guys, maybe if I get a lot of subscribers in this video, I won't ever do it again. But, subscribe if you like this stuff. You can like if you want to. Leave a comment. And I'll see you guys later. Rochi out.